If you've never flown before, airport security can feel confusing or even a little intimidating. But the truth is, once you know the steps, it's actually very simple. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what happens at airport security, step by step, so you know what to expect and can get through the checkpoint quickly and stress-free. Let's start from the moment you arrive at the security line. After you check in for your flight and get your boarding pass, the next step is heading to airport security. In the United States, airport security is handled by the Transportation Security Administration, also known as the TSA. You'll join the line and wait until you reach the officer who checks your identification. Pro tip: while you're waiting in line, take out your ID and boarding pass so you're ready when it's your turn. When you reach the front of the line, a TSA officer will ask for two things: your government-issued ID, usually a real ID or passport. Your boarding pass. They will quickly scan your boarding pass and verify your ID. Once you're cleared, you'll move forward to the security screening area. This is the part where many first-time travelers get nervous, but it's actually very simple. You'll place your items into plastic bins that go through an X-ray machine. Here's what you usually need to do. Take laptops and large electronics out of your bag. Remove liquids from your carry-on. Place phones, wallets, keys, and coins into a bin. Liquids must follow the 3-1-1 rule. Containers must be 3.4 ounces or smaller. All liquids must fit into one clear quart-sized bag. Each passenger gets one bag. Anything larger will likely be thrown away. At many airports, you'll also need to remove shoes, jackets, belts with metal buckles. Place them in the bin with your other items. However, travelers enrolled in TSA PreCheck usually do not have to remove their shoes or electronics. Once your bags are on the conveyor belt, you'll walk through the security scanner. Most airports use a full-body scanner. The officer will ask you to step inside, raise your arms briefly, stand still for a couple seconds. The scan takes just a few seconds. If nothing unusual appears, you're cleared to continue. After the scan, walk over to the conveyor belt where your bags come out of the X-ray machine. Grab your bins and put your shoes back on. Put your laptop back in your bag. Check that you have all your belongings. Sometimes a bag may need additional screening, but this is normal and usually takes only a minute or two. The best way to move through airport security quickly is to stay organized and follow the instructions from the officers. If you're prepared before reaching the front of the line, the entire process can take less than 5 minutes. If you found this helpful and you're planning your first flight, make sure to subscribe to Never Flown Before. This channel is all about helping first-time travelers feel confident navigating airports, flights, and travel. And in the next video, I'll give more insight into airport and security navigation.